Lord Jesus Christ, King of endless glory. Praise to you, Lord Jesus Christ, King of endless glory. No one lives on bread alone, but on every word that proceeds from the mouth of God. Glory